guys, today we're going to be unboxing Hot Wheels. Now I've not been uploading recently, maybe I have, maybe I haven't. So here we have the first case. Let's go ahead and open this. First of all, we have got the exclusive car, the Porsche 356 Outlaw in like a British racing green, the racing numbers 310 with a red racing stripe on the hood and like a lime green around the car, and then you've got golden rims with black. Yeah, pretty neat looking car there. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, McLaren F1 in black. Now this is a beast of a car. Look at that. Okay, let's move on to the, I'm just going to call this the Shark Cruiser, I think it's called. Looks quite fast. And then here you have got the Hot Wheels, like a bank, a snake car in like an orange and greyish with some gold wheels. Pretty neat. And then we have got this truck, a Mazda Repu. I don't know how to pronounce that, but here's your Mazda. Probably not on it. And we've got the Roadster by it. Quite a nice car. And then we have a Mercedes, which I don't really see a lot. And then you've got another one of the art cars in red with like different types of wheels and stuff. And then the final but not least, we have the it's like a rose in purple and like a silverish colour covering the back wheels. Let's just get them all out here. Okay, that was all the cars from this set, guys. Now let's move on to the next case. I bought this case because it looked kind of cool, guys. This set okay, the first car we're going to be looking at is the 67 Camaro in like a reddish with the exhaust on the side there. It's quite a neat car. And then here we do have it. Hey, look at that, 2017 Camaro ZL. Yeah, ZL1. Look at that. There are two Camaros. And here we are with another Mercedes, but in blue this time with like a white stripe going down the middle. Now here is the two comparisons to the Mercedes. Okay, and here we do have an old Bugatti here. Let me go and get my other Bugatti. Let's go tell the difference. Okay, so one of them is in yellow, one of them is silver. So that one's the brand newer one. That one's older. Like, look at that. You got red interior, red engine. This one just has a silver engine, but it's still quite cool. Okay. And then here we do have an old Beetle, custom Volkswagen Beetle, yeah. This thing looks like it can pop some wheelers. Looks kind of cool. You got the black rims of like a Volkswagen type. And then here is a Ford Focus RS. It's in like a light blue with white rims with RS, and you got the white racing straps with Hot Wheels on the back. And here we have the Street Creeper. And I think the exhausts are below these. I don't really know where the exhausts are on this car, but kind of cool. And then here we have it. One of my favourite cars is the Ford Mach-E in white. It's like the Forza one. It's like the Forza one from Forza. And then here we do have it. It's like, it is a Grappo times 24. I don't know how to pronounce that, but here you go for like racing car fans. I'm just going to move the cars over here. So, yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next piece. We will open some single packets later. So this is the Hot Wheels Motor Shed case, and first we have the Renault Sport RS. It's in a nice white racing colour. Number 1 on that. You got red, you got black and white. And then, yeah, then you've got this kind of modded out Dodge Viper 2013 in the purple type with white racing stripes here. And then here we do have an Aston Martin Lucien. I don't know how to pronounce that either. Okay, so it's got like a black top and like an orangish golden colour. Pretty neat car. I enjoy that one. And then here we do have a Jaguar XESV Project 8 in purple. There's a lot of purple cars. Not really much yellow cars. Here we do have a yellow Lamborghini here. And then some final ones. I'll be back, guys. I'll be back, guys, with the final 2 here. Okay, guys, I'm back. And first of all, we have the Nissan Zeek Fronto in a nice white colour. Just need to get it open here. There we go, got it open. Okay, it's like in a nice whitish colour with gold wheels, black roof there. And then, last but not least, has to be a Mercedes, right guys? There has to be a Mercedes in red. No racing stripe this time. A red Merc. Okay, that's going to be the end of this video. For people who missed and skipped, here are all the cars from all these sets. Okay, that's going to be the end. Bye-bye now.